So today we are going to show you the new type of Euro notch hinge. This is Euro notch hinge with 16 to 17 stack height. This is called stack height, which is capable to be used in Euro groove section type 1 15-20 groove. So you don't need any machining in the while fixing the groove. Now I will show you how to fix it. Let's insert in this with a little pressure. This will go inside. Make sure that given this grub screw you have taken up so that it doesn't frictions with the profile. Close this and tap it gently. I will make it down. Now you can see this is done. I have to just gently tighten this, and this you have to fix with the outer with a packer in the outer if it is groove. Now this is ready to be used. Can you show here? Hope you understood the video. Thank you.
This is Eurogrew arm, whereas this goes inside the shutter, which is having the grub screw, which you need to tight while using in the shutter. But as long as if this part is considered, there need to be a packer. This is the outer frame of Eurogrew. You need to apply a suitable packer in this, which is this, which you need to simply fix below this, like this. This is like this 14 mm, and in this way 10 mm, and simply you have to fix it like this. You have to fix it simply like this, and you have to apply this in this hole. In this way, so the many holes are there. You have to put the suitable packer below this. This is the packer, and you have to put it below this. This will lift, and the fixing will be better. Hope you understood. Can you show here? This is the packer for Eurogrew hinge, which you need to fix the below. Thank you.